So guys, morning. So like I was saying, today is Saturday. A very few days to my birthday, so I'm just trying to look the shoot. I don't even have plans for my birthday, but I know God has something for me. So I'm definitely going to be doing that. I bet shift. Yes, we are doing vlog. Yes, we are doing vlog. I'm a troublemaker. It's me. Oh, I haven't taken any pictures. I haven't done any reels, but my birthday, I just have this feeling to spend more time with God, have a silent moment with God the whole day, because God has brought me this far with trials and tribulations, with tears. A lot of things have really gone wrong that have turned to good, and I'm so grateful to God for bringing me this far. This vlog is about just thanking God. I'm definitely going to end it on my birthday. So I'm just starting a new vlog. Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. So, if you're just new here, just seeing me for the first time, please subscribe. I do mostly content and skincare, trying to put on travel, some planning my travel trips. Okay, like you saw me doing, I was setting up the whole things I want to use for the shoot and all that. Okay, so once you are done, let me know, please. I want to let me go by your Rolling. Next, we'll be introducing our very own. The parents teams achieve their full potential. The strategic vision and leadership. Even though you don't read the last part. Hey guys, it's morning. It's morning. 12:13 p.m. So I'm off to Utako Market to look for my birthday dress, so I'll be able to schedule a photo shoot so I can get picture for this year being single. So I'm going to take pictures. When the last time I took picture was like 3 years ago. Is it 3 or 2 years ago? So but going to take a picture. I want to see if I can get a black dress or I get a pink dress. So I'm heading off to Utako now to look for the dress, and I'll be back. Yesterday was fun. My friend came around from Lagos and we went out to have some Arabian teas. When I came back home, my friend my photographer was around, and we spent a bit of time. Then we watched movie, and that was yesterday when I came out from church. I'm going to post my outfit. I loved my simple outfit that I wore to church yesterday. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I really love. If anybody says modest dressing is not the in thing, girl, you don't know how to combine. That's why I love. See, I will drop. I don't even know how to pronounce her name. Let me not spoil her name, but I'll drop her name on the screen here. She's very good when it comes to like how to add your pieces, which pieces you need to have in your wardrobes, and all that. I'm also registered for her styling for the year. I'm supposed to register for it, but I haven't. I have a class I'm doing, so that's why I haven't registered for that her class. But her next class definitely going to take it. I think just like it's about 36,000 or something. So yeah, I'm excited. It's my birthday week, so I'll keep you guys. Let's get going. Hi guys. So doing testing, testing, testing. I'll share the shop. I have a lot of clothes. So I'm back home. This was after 7 to 8 p.m. And the worst thing of the worst is I went to Tapo to look for dresses and I didn't get. But I came back to Wariampa. I was able to get a black dress. I fitted it. It was actually okay in the shop. But I came home to refit it. The dress is looking like the way this thing is falling down. Oh, but I don't even know. But that dress, we're going to use it like that. I didn't want to do any pictures, but I was like, I don't see snap picture. It's been like 2 years now. You haven't taken any pictures. There's no picture of you or your baby. So I just decided to like, okay, fine. We'll take picture with the black dress. Anyhow, it's going to come out. Let it come out like that. I'm not doing much because my birthday day, a day before my birthday, I have booked like some meals to share because that's the only thing I feel like just give back to the community or to the poor. And I'm so grateful to God for giving me the ability to do that. And my birthday is on Thursday, 17th of April. I'm not even doing anything. I'm not going out. I'm just going to be in a silent mode, studying my Bible, speaking to God about a lot of things, just dwelling in God's presence. That's just what I want for my birthday, for God to speak back to me and daughter, this is what I need you to do. That's just my expectations for my birthday. Like, here's the dress. I'm going to put the picture on the screen. There was a white. I don't know if that white would have fitted me better, but I'll just do. It's just okay with the white, with the black rather that I put for now. So if I have extra money, I can go get the whites. Like almost the same price, 50,000. So I got these from the first shop. The first shop I just got slippers, shirts, got 2 shirts. The slippers was actually fine, so I just got like 2 pairs, which was much. Like the money was so much. Got treats. That was an update. I just want to look for something to eat and just lie down, maybe watch some videos on YouTube. It's good. It's good. No, that's one person. That's one person.
What?
We came here to share small things. Maybe so I need to share. Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
I think it's how you doing all
So just need only 30 people. That's what
30
we have. Yeah, that's just what we have. So I don't get time.
Don't put it as Wallahi.
Manajan kuɗi
Aure gafara.
gudu yake ce.
Chefo.
No, wait, please,
Hey, come on now.
Anyway, bye.